You have just finished your model, the accuracy is 99%. You are feeling like genius, right? Wrong. To a senior data scientist, getting the accuracy 99% at the first trial is biggest red flag. It usually happens because of data leakage. You have accidentally given your model the answer to the test before it even started. Hi everyone, I'm Priya Sinha. Today I'm going to show you how data leakage happens in real world, how to fix it before an interviewer catches it. Data leakage occurs when the information from outside the training dataset is used to create the model. It makes your model look like superstar during tested, but it will definitely crash and burn when it hits production. There are majorly two types of data leakage. First is target leakage and second is train test contamination. Target leakage is most common one. It happens when your predictor include the data that would not actually be available at the time of prediction. Let's understand it by taking one example. If you are predicting if a patient had disease or not, and you included a feature of doctor's prescription date, and you know prescription only happens after diagnosis, and that's a leak. Now let's understand the train test contamination. It happens during pre-processing. If you are calculating the mean and standard deviation of your entire data set before splitting into train test, now your train data set knows the distribution of test data set, and that's cheating. Let's understand it with churn prediction project. Many beginners include total minutes used or late fee settled. But look closely, if late fee charges or late fee settled are only calculated at the end of month after a person has already decided to leave, your model is using the future to predict the past. And the accuracy with the feature which you already included, that is 100% you will be getting, because you already given the answer to your model for testing, and after removing the feature, you can see the accuracy got reduced to 83.5%, and that is the realistic one. So how do you stop it? First, time series is split. If your data has a date column, never split on random basis. Use a cutoff dates. Train your model on past and predict on future. And second is pipeline. In this Python code, you can see that we are using pipeline to scale the data, but only the trained data during training process, and later when testing, then we are again doing the scaling process for testing. So this is how we are using pipeline to prevent the data leakage. And the third is feature sanity check. Ask yourself whether this feature is contributing your target variable or is just a duplicate of your target variable, or I already have this piece of information available in my data set or not. So this is how you can check with the data set. Eliminating data leakage is key to building a model that actually works in real world, not in just your laptop. It's a core skill for anyone serious about AI reliability.